Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the OPPO Find X9. Okay, but before we launch our WhatsApp, let's open up the settings. Now scroll down all the way and find Google. And in here, make sure that you are logged into the same Google account that you have selected during the backup process, in the moment when you were creating it. Because if you will be logged into wrong account, you won't be able to restore your chats. So make sure that you're logged into proper account. Now we can open up our WhatsApp, select your language and click on Agree and Continue. We can click on Allow to send us notifications. And now in here we need to type our phone number. If you can't remember it, you can always click on What's my number, click on Continue, click on Allow, and it will be automatically copied. Click on News and click on Next. Now we also need to verify our phone number using one of two methods. We can use the code from the SMS message or use the missed call function. Always prepare the second one. You can also see that it's the default method. So that's the option that I'm about to select. Click on Continue, click on Allow, Alright, verified. In here, Contacts and Media, click on Continue, click on Allow, Allow, and Allow All. Okay, and now select Restore from Backup, click on Continue, and now our chats are being restored. Okay, click on Next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo, then click on Next. Okay, and now we are ready to use our WhatsApp. Now I'll show you that everything has been successfully restored. We have our videos, photos, and normal messages. So everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.